Hello ladies, so today we are trying Desi Glow Makeup Look. First I am using Pond's Moisturizer, then Blue Heaven Primer. Next I am using Sugar Cosmetics Foundation Stick. I am doing two layer foundations, one is stick and other one is gel type. Next I am using Mars Cosmetic Foundation, shade is 07. Next I am using Blue Heaven brand foundation as concealer. I applied it all over my face wherever I want to highlight it. As you can see, I applied it under my eyes, side of my nose, tip of my nose and side of my lips and the area of contouring, upper of my eyes, forehead, everything, and I blended it with a small blender. I don't know what to say. Anyways, now I'm concealing my eyes, eyebrows to highlight it even more. Now I'm using a powder, setting powder to blend it, and now I'm using a combat powder. The combat powder is Blue Heaven. Next step is blush. I'm not really a person who will love blush really. Yeah, sometimes I do it. Now I am drawing eyeshadow. First I am using a light brown to draw, and now I am using a maroon shade to highlight it even more. Now I am lining my eyes, eyeliner. Now highlighting the corner of my eyes. Now I am filling my eyebrows, as you can see. If you want a tutorial, just comment me. Now I am using a maroon, the same shade I am using upper of my face, eyeshadow. Now highlight my cheek, nose, everywhere. Now my favorite part, I really love contouring. Yeah, I contour my nose, side of my cheek. I really forgot to shoot that part. Now applying mascara on my eyes, upper and lower. Okay guys, that's all for today.